How to send WhatsApp link. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can send a link on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first of all, it really depends upon what link you are talking about. If you open up WhatsApp over here and then you simply go ahead and then select a link of a certain group, so let's say you want to share the link of a group, you can simply select that, tap on the group link from the very top of the screen, then simply scroll down here and you can see the option called add members. So you can tap on add members, and if you are the admin of the group, you'll find the group link over there if that is what you're talking about. Now if you're talking about your own profile link, then just keep in mind that WhatsApp doesn't have a profile link, though there are some websites that offers you to actually enter the phone number and to create the profile link for you. You can actually do that. But to give you an idea, this is how you can send WhatsApp link. You can copy it and share it with your friends. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.